Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Eastern Idaho planning briefing for Sunday, November 8th. Here's the weather impact summary. We're going to have snow continuing today off and on in many locations. We do have a winter weather advisory for the Central Mountains, Upper Snake River Highlands. We are expecting an additional 2 to 4 inches in many of these locations, along with the Idaho Wasatch. We will have snow-covered roads, especially over mountain passes in those areas. And we will have light snow, again, even in the Snake River Plain. Again, not expecting significant accumulations, generally less than an inch in the lower elevations. And that will be today. The snow should end. And then the other thing, we're going to have 2-week systems moving through Tuesday and Wednesday, with widespread light snow with minor impacts expected with the 2 minor systems Tuesday and Wednesday. Looking at the radar loop, we do have an upper level low generally over eastern Oregon, and again a lot of moisture showing up, extensive cloud cover over all of southeast Idaho, and again snow is falling across quite a bit of southeast Idaho. Again, mainly light accumulations other than the mountain areas I mentioned. And here is the weather impact overview. Again, we have snow everywhere. Some minimal impacts across the lower elevations with some moderate impacts in the eastern highlands, the Sawtooth region, and Lemhi County. And again, some minimal impacts. Again, so some difficult travel. We get, again, some snow-covered roads, again, mainly in the mountains. And again, not too much going on other than very minimal impacts. Mainly dry tomorrow, some lingering snow showers in the eastern highlands. And then Tuesday and Wednesday, we're going to have light snow across all of southeast Idaho. Some minimal impacts in the eastern, southeastern highlands and the southern hills area. And again, not expecting significant impacts with these minor systems Tuesday and Wednesday. And then Thursday, it looks like everything should be over. So again, we're going to have wintry weather for several days now. High temperatures today, generally 30s. Some of the mountain areas in the 20s. Here's a look at snowfall for the rest of today. Again, generally less than an inch in the Snake River Plain. I could see an inch or two as we get into the Rexburg, Ashton areas. And we're looking at, again, 1 to 4 inches of snow, the heaviest expected up towards Island Park, where we could get 3 to 4 inches. And again, generally just light snow across most of the area for today. High temperatures tomorrow, very cold, generally mid-20s to mid-30s across the region. As we get into Tuesday, a little bit warmer, but still generally low to mid-30s. Could be around 40 degrees down in the Burley area on Tuesday. And again, continued cold through Wednesday, generally 20s in the mountains and 30s in the lower elevations. Now here's the look at Tuesday snow amounts. Again, most of the accumulations will be mainly in the eastern highlands, where we'll see 1 to 4 inches again, generally less than an inch to 1 to 2 inches in the Snake River Plain towards Rexburg. And again, 1 to 2 inches across the southern highlands as well. And Wednesday, again, generally less than an inch everywhere other than the eastern highlands, where most of the accumulations will be in the 1 to 3 inch range. And looking out for 6 to 10 days ahead, November 13th through 17th, again, Idaho, much better chances of below normal temperatures continuing and better chances of above normal precipitation. So again, we're looking at wintry weather is here for the next 1 to 2 weeks, it looks like. So again, the weather impact summary: snow today. Again, looking at an additional 2 to 4 inches in the Central Mountains, Upper Snake River Highlands, generally less than an inch other locations, but we'll have some snow-covered mountain roads, especially headed north on Interstate 15 once you get into the north of Roberts, headed towards the Montana border, and headed east in the eastern highlands as well, and Central Mountains up through Galena, the Galena area. So again, most areas will generally not have major impacts, just some minimal impacts today. And later in the week, we're going to have 2 more systems moving through with light snow expected on Tuesday and Wednesday as well, with minor impacts expected. So that will conclude the briefing. Again, we're headed into a period of some wintry weather, not heavy snow, but generally just light snow today, and again Tuesday and Wednesday. So if you have any questions, contact us at the number listed here 24 hours a day, or go to our website listed below that for more detailed information. And again, if you're out driving today, again, you could encounter periods of light snow, so plan for extra time. And again, we're going to have some light snowfall continuing off and on through most of the week. Thank you, and everyone have a nice day.